Hi folks, I just thought we'd show you one of our latest inventions. It's a Stanley Cook set that I've put into a modified combustion tin. I guess you'd call that a stove because you put a burner inside of it. So it works pretty good actually. It sits on the bottom, air vents on there, and then you have the skewers that go through for your elevation depending on what type of stove you're using. Today, what we're going to use, open this up here, got our fuel inside there. We've got a syringe to put the fuel in the stove, or the burner I should say. Today we're using a standard Trangia, so I don't really need that syringe. I can just pour it in. So that's the guy there. And make sure that there's no plastic inside there. So I'm going to put roughly 1.5 ounces in there. And it's 1.5 exactly. Alright. So I'm going to put the stove inside here, just like that. Now what you'd obviously do is light it and then put this on top of there and then put this in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything set up ready to go, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. I'm just going to light the Trangia. We'll get it to go into a full bloom, and then I'll start the timer. There we go, full bloom. I'm going to put the tin right over top of that, just like that. And then this guy here will just sit over top of that. And start. Water temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. And that is 700 milliliters of water that I've got in there, so just over 24 ounces. And we'll be back when it starts boiling. I'll let you know what the time is. Thank you. Hi, we're back again. Sorry about that. It was actually 10 minutes to full boil, and it ran out of fuel at 11 minutes. Unfortunately, we got called away, so I couldn't be here to show you it actually boiling, but take our word on it, it was boiling at 10 minutes and ran out of fuel at 11 minutes. And that was 100 degrees Celsius and 20 degree water start temperature. And outside temperature right now is roughly 20 degrees. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.